Hello, future engineers. There is another video in integral calculus, particularly on iterated integrals. So I hope that through this video, you will be able to enhance your skills in integration, thereby preparing you to the engineering life. So there are three exercises in this video. These are the problems. Evaluate the given integral. So double integral. We have integral from 0 to 1, y to square root of y of quantity x dx dy over x squared plus y squared. So that's 27.1. If you observe, if we let the denominator be u, the differential is 2x dx. This is x dx, so we only miss 1 half. So we rewrite that as integral of 0 to 1, integral y to square root of y of 1 half quantity 2x dx over square root over x squared plus y squared dy. So that this is now in the form, the inner integral is du over u, so which is ln. So that would be equal to 1 half ln of x squared plus y squared. I just substitute directly the limits. So 1 half ln of x squared plus y squared. Since this is evaluated from y to square root of y, so ln of square root of y squared, so ln of y, then plus y squared minus ln of x squared, the lower limit is y, so y squared plus y squared, so that's why you have 2y squared dy. So this is then rewritten as 1 half integral 0 to 1 ln of y times 1 plus y, this one, divided by y times 2y. We break 2y squared into y times 2y. So 1 half integral of ln of y times 1 plus y over y times 2y. We cancel y. So that reduces to 1 half integral 0 to 1 of ln quantity 1 plus y minus ln of 2y. We break again into ln of 1 plus y minus ln of 2y dy. Now, for the case where for the first term, let us denote u sub 1 equals ln of quantity 1 plus y. The differential u1 is dy over 1 plus y. So that means dv1 is dy and v sub 1 equals y. Likewise, for the second term, ln of 2y, let us denote u sub 2 equals ln of 2y. So the differential is 2 dy over 2y, which reduces to dy over y. So that means differential v sub 2 is dy. So v sub 2 equals y. So substitute. This is now y ln of 1 plus y. So 1 half quantity y ln of 1 plus y from 0 to 1 minus integral of dy uh, y dy over 1 plus y, which is this from 0 to 1. Then minus, because this is minus, integral of ln 2y dy, we have y ln of 2y from 0 to 1 minus integral of y v2 differential u2. So we cancel out y. So we only have integral of minus integral of dy 0 to 1. So simplifying, that would be 1/2 of quantity ln of 2 minus, so this is ln of 2 minus 0 ln of 1, so that's still 0. So just ln of 2 minus, we copy this integral of y dy over 1 plus y, or y plus 1, then minus ln of 2, 1 ln of 2, so ln of 2, lower limit 0, ln of 2 times 0, so that's 0, then minus integral of dy, which is y from 0 to 1. So simplifying, we have 1/2 of, we can cancel ln of 2, ln of 2 minus ln of 2. Then we have negative of negative y, so positive y, 0 to 1, so that's 1. So I copy 1/2. Then we have 1 for negative of y from 0 to 1, so that's positive 1. Then minus the integral of this. So if we divide y by y plus 1, the result is 1 minus 1 over y plus 1. So replacing this by, so we have 1/2 quantity 1 minus integral of 1, or dy over y plus 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0, so we'll have 1/2 minus ln of y plus 1 from 0 to 1. So ln of y plus 1, because we have negative of negative, so positive 1 ln of y plus 1 from 0 to 1. So this is 1/2 ln of 2 minus ln of 1. Ln of 1 is 0. So the answer is 1/2 ln of 2. So again, ln of 1 is 0. Final answer, 1/2 ln of 2. Then we proceed to 27.2, integral of x dy dx over x squared plus y squared. So we can evaluate the inner integral, because if you put u be x squared plus y squared, the differential is if we evaluate this with respect to y, x is treated constant, so that's arctan. So x over x, because the constant is x, a is x, arctan of y over x from x squared, so 0 to 1, x over x, arctan of y over x from x squared to x. So substituting upper limit, so this is 1, arctan of x over x, so that's arctan of 1, minus arctan of x squared over x, so minus arctan of x. So that would be integral 0 to 1 of arctan of 1 minus arctan of x dx. Arctan of 1 is pi over 4, then minus integral of arctan of x dx. So we evaluate integral of arctan of x dx by integration by parts. Let's put u be arctan of x. So that means the differential is dx over 1 plus x squared. Du is dx over 1 plus x squared. So dv is dx, so v is x. So substitute, that would be integral of pi over 4 dx is pi over 4x from 0 to 1 minus x arctan of x minus integral from 0 to 1 of x dx over 1 plus x squared. So we can evaluate this, because if we put the denominator be u, the differential is 2x dx, we only miss 1/2. So we write that as 2. We evaluate that directly. So we have pi over 4 times 1 minus 0, so pi over 4. then minus 1 arctan of 1 minus 0, then plus negative of negative, so that's plus. Integral of this is 1 half ln of 1 plus x squared 0 to 1. Arctan of 1 again is pi over 4. So pi over 4 will be cancelled. Then plus 1 half ln of 1 plus 1 square, so ln of 2 minus lower limit ln of 1 plus 0 square, so minus ln of 1. ln of 1 is 0. We cancel out pi over 4, so the final answer is 1 half ln of 2. Then lastly, 27.3, we have integral 0 to 1, integral from x squared to x of x squared dy dx over x squared plus y squared. So this is the same form as that. We can evaluate this in terms with respect to y first. So take note that x squared is constant. So the integral would be, we have integral 0 to 1 x squared over x arctan of y over x from x squared to x. So x squared over x arctan of y over x from x squared to x dx. So this simplifies to integral 0 to 1 of x arctan of 1 minus x arctan of x dx after we substitute the limits. So we can replace this by, pi over 4. So we have integral 0 to 1 of pi over 4x minus x arctan of x dx. So for integral of x arctan of x, we put u be arctan of x. Then the differential is dx over 1 plus x squared. So that means dv is x dx. So v is x squared over 2. So substitute, that would now be equal to, the integral of the first is pi over 8x squared minus x squared over 2 arctan of x from 0 to 1. Then minus 1 half integral of x squared over 1 plus x squared dx. So we note that for this integral here, we divide first x squared over x squared plus 1 or 1 plus x squared. That's equal to 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1. So this is now pi over 8 times 1 because we evaluate it from 0 to 1. So pi over 8, then minus, this is 1 square over 2, 1 half, arctan of 1, 1 half times arctan of 1, pi over 4 times 1 half, so pi over 8. So that would be pi over 8 minus pi over 8, then minus 1 half, so minus negative 1 half, so that's minus negative 1 half, so plus 1 half, then integral of 1, so pi over 8 minus pi over 8 plus 1 half, integral 0 to 1 of quantity 1 minus x squared plus 1 dx. So we cancel out pi over 8 and rewrite this as 1 half of quantity x arctan of x, then from 0 to 1. So that would be 1 half of 1 minus arctan of 1. And remember, arctan of 1 is pi over 4. So that's 1 half quantity 1 minus pi over 4. So if we factor out 1/4 here, so that's 1/8 quantity 4, then minus pi. So 1/8 times quantity 4 minus pi. So that's 4 over 8 or 1/2 minus pi over 8. So that's it for this video.